Welcome to this deep dive into Azure AI Document Intelligence, Microsoft's AI-powered service for extracting structured data from any document automatically. In this video, we'll explore pre-built models, custom models, and the layout analysis capability that makes document automation possible at scale. Azure AI Document Intelligence, previously known as Form Recognizer, is a cloud-based service that extracts text, tables, key value pairs, and structured data from PDFs, images, Word documents, and Excel files. It combines advanced OCR with machine learning to understand document structure, not just read text. It supports 164 languages for printed and handwritten text, and it's used by enterprises worldwide to eliminate manual data entry. Let's start with the layout model, the foundation of everything. The layout model extracts the complete structure of any document: text lines, words, tables, selection marks, and their exact positions on the page. It preserves reading order and identifies table cells, column headers, and row spans. This is the building block that all other models are built on top of. Now let's look at pre-built models, and this is where you get immediate value with zero training. Microsoft has pre-trained models for the most common document types. The Invoice Model extracts vendor name, address, invoice number, date, line items, subtotal, tax, and total amount from any invoice format, regardless of the vendor's template. The Receipt Model handles retail receipts from photos, extracting merchant name, transaction date, items purchased, and prices. The ID Document Model supports over 200 ID types worldwide: passports, driver licenses, and national IDs, extracting name, date of birth, address, document number, and expiry date. There's also a W-2 model for U.S. tax forms, a business card model, and a contract model for legal documents. When pre-built models don't cover your specific document type, custom models are the answer. Here's the 5-step process. Step 1. Collect 5 to 50 sample documents of the same form type. More samples means higher accuracy. Step 2. Use Document Intelligence Studio to draw bounding boxes and label the fields you want to extract, like purchase order number or ship date. Step 3. Click Train. Azure trains your custom model in minutes, no ML code required. Step 4. Review field-level accuracy scores and add more labeled samples to improve weak fields. Step 5. Use your model ID in API calls to extract structured data from new documents instantly. There are 2 types of custom models. Template models work best for fixed layout forms, like tax documents, where fields are always in the same position. Neural models handle variable layout documents, like invoices from different vendors, where the layout changes. Neural models also support handwriting and are more robust to document variations. You can also create composed models, which combine multiple custom models with an automatic classifier. For example, if you receive invoices, receipts, and purchase orders mixed together, a composed model automatically identifies which document type it's looking at and routes it to the right extraction model. Real-world applications are transforming entire industries. Accounts payable teams use document intelligence to extract invoice data automatically and push it to ERP systems, eliminating manual data entry for thousands of invoices per day. Healthcare organizations extract patient data from handwritten intake forms and lab reports into structured EHR records. Government agencies extract and verify identity data from passports and driver licenses for KYC compliance. Logistics companies extract shipper, recipient, and tracking data from bills of lading automatically. Legal firms extract parties, dates, and clauses from contracts for automated review. And universities process student application forms and transcripts to speed up enrollment workflows. Getting started is straightforward. Create a document intelligence resource in the Azure portal. Open Document Intelligence Studio at documentintelligence.ai.azure.com to label your documents and train custom models. Then call the REST API or use the Python SDK with pip install Azure-AI-Document-Intelligence. Azure AI Document Intelligence turns any document into structured, actionable data in seconds at scale with no manual effort. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Expert of AI for more Azure AI deep dives, and I'll see you in the next one.